Hey everyone, it's Money One La Plum again, and this is another version of my Thai and Lao Flu blog where I'm going to mix two different type of ethnic cuisine. One is Thai, and this is a sweet Thai chili sauce that has a basil aroma to it, and this one is a Korean packaged instant noodle. So there's different flavors of this Korean packaged instant noodle. There's mild, hot, spicy, there's volcanoes. If you have a chance to try the volcano, you should, because Korean just takes spiciness to another level. Enjoy! So let's begin by taking the noodle out of the package and soak it in room temperature water. I like to soak it for a minimum of 1 hour because that's when the noodle is soft. You can soak it for up to 3 hours or sometimes overnight and leave it in the morning, and then you can cook it in the morning. Or what I like to do is to soak it, cut the noodles in half, and then put it in a Tupperware and then put it in the fridge until when I'm ready. Sometimes it's 3 days by the time I cook it, and sometimes it's the next day. Let's start with stir frying the vegetables and the chicken. So over high heat, place the wok, and then once the wok is hot, add the oil and stir fry the onions. I like to wait till the onions are brown a little bit before adding the rest of the vegetables. So I like to put a lot of vegetables just to make sure I have my servings. And I would stir fry it until it's slightly seared, then add the cooked chicken. What I like to do is buy cooked chicken that is from a grocery store. It's like, you know, those BBQ chicken that's already in the package. It just saves time and you don't have to wait for the chicken to cook. It's already cooked. And here I would add some soy sauce and continue to stir fry. Let's add some Thai chili paste with sweet basil leaves. Here I like to add maybe 1 heaping tablespoon because remember the chicken is already seasoned because you purchased it barbecued, and continue to stir fry. Place the stir-fry chicken vegetables in a bowl, and now let's prepare the noodles. So I would add the drained cold noodles in a bowl and then pour boiling hot water into that bowl. I would stir until the noodles are soft. So if the noodles came from the fridge, I would stir for about maybe 10 seconds before draining the hot water from the bowl. Or if the noodles were soaking in room temperature water, I would soak it for maybe 5 seconds before draining the boiling water. For stir frying the noodles with a wok over high heat, add some oil, add some chili paste, sweet basil leaves, add the Korean mix, and then some soy sauce, and stir fry for about 1 minute. The cooking process from the stir frying of the vegetables and the chicken and then stir frying the noodles should probably take less than 15 minutes. And I would serve the noodles at the bottom and then top it up with the stir fry chicken and vegetables. Enjoy everyone. Thank you.